Welcome to Big Ted's Home and Garden. In today's video I'm going to be looking at a mistake that lots of people make when using their pressure washers, which could seriously damage your machine and potentially cost you a lot of money to either repair or replace it. A while ago I released a video showing how you could use a karcher pressure washer from a water butt supply, and a couple of comments made about the equipment used in that video prompted me to do some research. In particular, I was asked about the connection between the garden hose and the water inlet of the pressure washer. Is it a good idea to use an Aquastop or water stop connector? And do they reduce flow rate and or potentially damage your machine? An Aquastop connector contains a valve which only allows water to flow when a male connector is pushed into it. That's, for example, on a spray gun or, in our case, a pressure washer. This means that you can turn on your tap, pull out your hose to wherever you're working and connect it to the water inlet of the pressure washer without any water flowing. Water will only start to flow when you depress the trigger on the lance. You can see why so many people use them. You don't waste water and you don't have the inconvenience of going all the way back to the tap to turn it on once you've connected it up. The problem with these Aquastop or water stop connectors is the non-return valve that they contain. In use, the operating pressure of a Karcher K4 is about 110 bar. That's 110 times atmospheric pressure. As long as you're pressing the trigger, the pressurised water's got somewhere to go. When you stop, the low pressure garden hose acts like an expansion vessel. The pressure inside the machine equalises throughout the system. This is why the Karcher manual recommends that you use a minimum hose length of 7.5 metres. If you use an Aquastop valve, the non-return valve stops this happening and traps the pressure inside the machine. This can cause the water inlet or even the pump to crack. Northwest Power Washers claim that the water inlet is the most sold part on their website. And if you don't believe me, these are some screenshots I took while doing my research. This is from Northwest Power Washers. This screenshot's from the website of Arva of Norway. And in the user manuals for all the Karcher K-series pressure washers, except the K3 for some reason, is this line. Never use a hose coupling with Aquastop on the water connection of the device. I'll put links to these sites in the video description below. Now I know I'm going to get comments from people saying I've used an Aquastop connector for years and I've never had any problems. That's what my granddad used to say about smoking until he dropped dead. Might have got away with it up to now, but if you're using an Aquastop connector, you're increasing the risk of your machine failing prematurely. I've also seen evidence that suggests that Aquastop connectors reduce water flow. Personally, I don't think this will be a significant issue with pressure washers because pressure washers use much less water than a conventional hose. The main issue seems to be the Aquastop connector stopping the pressure dissipating through the hose when the pump is turned off. So what can you do if you've set up your machine and you don't want to walk all the way back to the tap to turn it on? I've ordered a connector with an inline tap like this one. If you connect it to the end of the hose where it plugs into the pressure washer, you can turn the tap off while you're pulling the hose out and setting everything up. And then you can open the tap when you're ready to go. Keep you dry and save your water. Then, when you do turn the pump off, any pressure that's built up in the machine can spread out through the hose, hopefully extending the life of your pump and your water inlet. I do hope you found this video useful. If you have, leave a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. I'll see you soon.